drama hatching eggs. They were collected from 3/8 to 3/14. There's your dozen white drama hatching eggs.
How much? 30, 35, 5, 30, 35, 30, 35, 9, 30, 35, 5, 35, 30, 35, 30, 35, 35, 20, now 5. 25, now 30, 25, 30, 25, 30, 25, now 30, now 5, 30, 35, 5, 35, now 40, 35, 37, 50, 35, 37, 50, 35, 750. So over here, $35, 443.
Good trick. 1083. I got a dozen Buff Orpington collected 3/8 to 3/14. Buff Orpington.
See what's out here. And they're selling eggs. Big old fat pig. What?
Chicken said they'll spur them.
There's a horse. Food truck. Vamos. What are you yelling about? Huh? What are you yelling about? Itching on? Huh? What's your name? Johnny Walker? Huh? Number 212? Is that your name? Not very original. See you, 212. Ooh, some horns. Looks like baby buffalo. Are these buffalo?
What now?
Is that buffalo?
I'm not sure.
Different
These
breed?
are zebus, I think.
Oh, okay. It's got a hump on its back.
Go over
What's up, Jack? You see my mom? No? No? Okay, well. How you doing? What about you? Have you seen my mom? Huh? Hi, buddy. Hey, buddy. You're pretty patch. Yeah. Is that you that stinks? I think I've seen this one on a movie. Hey, did you play in what was the name of that one? Ferdinand? I think you did. What are you crying about? Did you get sold? Shit. Have to do your owner. Don't get me started. Oh, look at this. Look at that baby cows. Look at that little tiny cow. Look at this little cow.
What? Yeah, this is what.
Little tiny baby cow.
Let's keep going.
Number 12. F12. Hey. Hey, are you with the law? Donkey? What are you looking at me funny for? You an informant? Huh? Yeah, you look like an informant. What's up, baby cow? That auction rig. Oh, now we're getting into some bighorn sheep. Wow, look at that black one. Woo-hoo, he don't even look real. He's sleeping. Number 1. Yeah. Hey, sleepy number 1. Yep, he's alive. Got to get the other one. What's up, number 3? Nice earring. Yeah. Oh, look at this one. He's non-typical. Look at them horns over there. Holy crap. Oh, crap. I can do the fence. Them goats. I'm filming fights. Yeah, I'm talking to you about you, stinky bastard. Prisoners can never get along. Look at all these. They don't want no part of it. It's like, why can't we all get along? Always got to be one dick in the bunch, huh? Yeah, don't let your kid grow up to be like them over there. What's up, number 15? 2 little tiny ones. Look at the little fellas. Stinky, you stinky. You stink. What? You yelling at me? 178, yeah? Well, what do you want? Huh? What do you want? Well, I don't have none to eat. You stink too. What? Nuh-uh. Well, not you. Is it him over there? Get him back there. In the wall climb. Goats, goats, goats. If you only knew. Oh, look at the tiny one in the back. Teeny tiny. Little teeny tiny one. Look at him looking at me. So little I can't even see him. Ostriches over there. Oh, crap. That's a lot of goats. Oh, look at these tiny suckers. Look at them tiny goats. Oh, look at them tiny ones. What? Hey.
Well, not with the light.
Oh, little tiny ones fighting. Ah, 222. Look at 222 go back there. Yeah. Uh-oh. Or it hit a dead end. What's up, 5'3"? See my mom?
Look at those 3 little babies over there. All those babies are going back and forth through there.
Look at them, though. Where did it go back there?
She needs her feet.
Just can't get back to them goats back there. Get back there. Private property.
He's been good mood.
What do you know? Ostrich? Or whatever you are. There's 33. Number 33. Hey, 33. 34. Both of you. Oh, you have to go out the gate. What a concept. I didn't think you could open it. What are you doing? Trying to get me? Look at the little tiny horns. Look at the little tiny horns.